Welcome back to Canadia. Under current Level 5 restrictions, our showroom is closed to protect our customers and our staff. However, our staff are here to help you with all your flooring requirements. Here's Victoria to tell you about our Aqua range of water-resistant floors.
Let me show you our fantastic Aqua Plus range. That range was specifically designed to suit all the rooms in the house, but specifically for wet rooms, kitchens and bathrooms. What it makes it very, very unique. You see the floorboard, it's been filled with water resins, which makes this floor 5 times more resistant to water swelling than your normal laminate floor. And by doing this floor, by installing this floor anywhere in your room, you don't actually sacrifice on quality or the beauty of the product, because as you can see, you can go for marble effect, or if you prefer wooden effect, or indeed we have something looks like tiles. Very important to remember, that is very cost effective, and also it looks like a real deal, so you don't actually compromise on quality or appearance. That is really important.